I Anbada, Almighty God, a Shodu, Kurumjari, Halchari, the Kangpokpi district ki civil society organization Hado MP, Hado students, Hado women, Cookie MP, guest Cookie student organization, the Yamaro in a village chief, Sadhu Hilski and the mobility leadership, Chief Singh, and the BJP Kangpokpi adumba leaders Madam Shunpin President Algatai Mandal ki district president Mandal ki president Alga Kangpokpi district sigi Manu Partamo Hiba Site 2 sigi Honorable MLA BJP की मंडल स्मया पुनः साइक्लोन की यावना कांगपोक्पी डिस्ट्रिक्ट से लेकर कार्यकर्ता में पुनः मक्सोई इकाई कम्युनिटी और the such leadership civil society organization ने नममी one by one वो इन पंद्रह सिस्टम ने इधर से पुनः मक सुबह Go to Hills 2.0 Sigi mission Sigi journey my copy another Mayam Simbiba welcome to Biba Masigi the Mutai Kangpokpi district Biba Prasapno Hakachabuni Guluina National Minister guys the Hamiba Honorable Minister Singh one by one in a panel at the Madam Kengani Honorable MLA Singh Aduba Akupuna Nekai Miseriba in Maharaj December Son of Honorable MP Aduba say Queen of Pankoiba Go to Hills, say when I inaugurate Tauriba or Foundation Stone Tauriba, Punamasiki backbone Tauriba, Agi Sarkar Sigi, officialship, Chief Secretary, Assistant Chief Secretary Singh, Principal Secretary, Commissioner, Directors, or other all the government employees. Because of you, we are able to achieve the present development in the entire state of Manipur. Without your support, it could have never been achieved what today we have. Alnai Chief Secretary DC Singh, SP Singh, SBO Singh, Mayam Puma Koi Habatabuande, Aduka Mediagi, Chilino Mayam Puma, High Division by Pena, left and Satarka, Water Hills, Water Hills, doorstep delivery of the various government schemes is seeing forward to be and Mediagi is in option to sway. Aduna, the government, the difference between the previous government and the new government. We are not coming here to have a simple governance. We are not coming here, we did not form the government to have to give governance only. We have come with a mission of a change in the state, not only governance. We come with an idea, innovative thoughts, that how our people can enjoy it. The schemes, the benefits is provided from the central government as well as from the state government. We thought how we can be united. We are one, but why we are having separate thought of mindset? Why? These are a few questions that arises when we take over the SARS as a chief minister from myself. Why? Because Manipur we are one. We are living together since a time immemorial, and we have to live together. But why this kind of mistrust created? Who created it? How created it? From where it comes? Then the Almighty God guided me. You go to the hills and meet the peoples. Ask them what they want. What are the grievances? What are the problems they are facing? You go to the village, meet one by one, ask them what they want. What are the grievances? What are the sources? That was the reason why the present government started Go to Hill mission and Go to Village mission. You will be happy to know in Kangpokpi district, when our government assumed charges, there were not a single household provides drinking water, tap drinking waters. Tap drinking waters were not provided in a single house. But now, in the last 4.5 years, despite having of COVID pandemic, despite having of political instability, we have provided 63% household water tap in the Kangpokpi district. 63%. You have seen the visual video, the construction, the infrastructure. The project was completed and inaugurated today. Nasai lepon haiblo siu phagira. Si photo je ye aye ko photo na de ko pinu. Sabna manduk na karai de sai, imam market na karai de sai, lambi na karai de semi, hospital na karai de lei, oxygen plant na karai de lei, loi na sila uli ko. Hari si pandemic lei na lei. 2 years complete pandemic. I think 1.5 years to know political instability, you know everyone. Coalition government in White. We cannot able to provide what we want because of the coalition. Different idea, different ideology, different thinking is there. So today, I am coming here to appeal you, all of you, that my friends, my brother Nepal is here, even then, we need a solid, absolute, single party governments so that Manipur can keep peace and stability. Stability the peace kay ang na development only can be no. We cannot. If there is peace, if there is stability, then we can accept what we want. But see, last 4.5 years, I can accept the Kangpokpi district, most of the people's why we know it. Low the palms, palm yalaga, low Karaga, Malian Karaga, Pal Karaga, Shaku machine. That's why we introduced Chief Minister Biren. Why? Everybody below the property line, persons can have 2 lakhs to each of them for treatment. Chief Minister के हस्ते के टेम्पा में अपने लॉन्च से उसे Kangpokpi district और मणिपुर ले लियो लाइव प्रकार से मसाना बता Masagi Nubina, Masagi Mapurana, hospital, Pukalaga lying among the Mayando. Mother free the pocket and pala and ye free the hand of the same as the car. Now around 22,781 person has been enrolled and got the CMSD card. Above, within this, 2,271 person free the treatment period. Nahanuma, Kangpokpi sidagi miyam dinumita, napi masamala, medyo fairly ample. I my blessing was I just emotionally feel to organize. Mama Pagalai. Say any Mokmana. Meow. I am like that one beams out take time pan you. Hey, not right they know. Uncle I Kangpokpi the guinea. I am machine Masadi with my order. I might video for you. Mala put in the right, another Pame. And hand matching the body. Like what I particularly Nashi, but you will tell people, but I put a social welfare game. Pay more, I don't remember what I S. Not I know, swing machine like the car. Machine put the logo machine like the car. That's how they need to be no lower or lower. Pia. Mother Marina Pita, I want a couple, I want a hidden mother. Uncle Kamian announced his sincere, I know Maluki mentioned the Piro Matumana, Uncle Parasi of the Barapio, I don't know. I am who is not going to do. And sincere, I'm not sincere. And I got the Barasi of you, the Barasi, the Barasi, Manas, my number 40, my Biren, so many young Uncle. God bless you. Still, I will be what I know the God. I don't know. Just we should have a clear mindset. Concept we should be very clear. There is no question of minorities. There is no question of majority. We are all human beings. We are living together. I repeat again. We are living together since the time immemorial. And we have to live together till the last. Mindset change over. Politicalize over. Just my friend, Honorable Minister Balte has clarified little. But I am assured that there will be a single sense, there will be not a single sense in the provisions of the Helena Committee which is provided under the Indian Constitution. This government will fully protect it and preserve it. But one thing also very clear, this government cannot go beyond the constitution and cannot violate the constitution of India. This also we should respect. Adan ako kami giwata no. Constitution tu nga amni jang tali koi government race. What do we have in the constitution? What do we have in the Hill Rails Committee? What will we have in the ADC that will be fully protected and fully preserved by the present government? See, post me am clear when you ado ngasi Burkhagi itali no mayam they are struggling. I know they are suffering, but we have to find out the ways. Matam sang sa isama gimatak ta lerak abakang usya pe pe to kudu ke hagudo. We have to think of human approach. We have to live together. Sigi pot punamak se koi amat toina. Kangpokpi da leriba Hadogi Isilina Singna or any tribe. Panic will be done. Don't feel panicky. It's your land. It's your district. It is our Manipur. It is our India. We should be proud as an Indian. We should be proud as a Manipuri also. Aku punamak India masani. Aku punamak Manipuri ngatani. Na Manipuri thado hoy kibani mana Manipuri kuki hoy kibani mana Manipuri tangkul hoy kibani ai Manipuri mete hoy kibani. Mana Manipuri ki mete bangal hoy kibani. Sigi macam-macam lah kibani, but we are all Indians. We are all Manipuris. Sigi concepts na ikoy lemina si. Tanana so ikoy tugay mo. Hoy marakta. I was there before study, no, I think weeks back. All the CSO from the Kangpokpi came to my bungalow and we have a fruitful discussion. They were inviting me to come here. We interacted. I was a little bit emotional when one of my friend from the Hukin PNKSO started talking me, Uncle, why you are angry with me? So I am also a human being. But I said, no, I don't have any personal enmity. I am sure. But sometimes misinformation, communication gap, and understanding like that, no, I don't believe it. Listen, I will come. I saw the Rakani, the award for me. Young Minasi had an A by the Tiger. Nasila Isri, Yamumai, I quite government. Nakoi Mayangi, Praja Mayangi, Awaba, Lehendan Bohanaga government. Masai, Lambida Mordunga, Sarasarda, and Wo Pyramid, Ramiship of Pyramid, Romenada. I'm very thankful to all of you. In the market, Mordunga, hello women's, hello mothers, Singi, I can't forget this, Sare, other would be. Yani they just bazaar like the business is market, imaging in the fishing and Saranaway. Fuck company, I don't know, Ziki Wena, Atu, they Morbungadi, imaging in market, Saranaway, Tuna Saranava, Economy, Habersima, they come get other mothers, my office to Hibani, other Loida, other noise, I reckon, Michael bought a higher or get Pampo going to Kari sahaja ke bukan sih dan mana itu saja. Anak ini macam sangat lorong ke. Yang mengenai kita Kangpokpi itu sih Swas Bharat Mission di Makata 32,327 donate Prime Minister Modi di Makata sah. Arai itu mas kabuk nanti. Nanti aku ini Sorokta lambida asong mamarata isa ni sasing kung haming bal mapatong bal ito daw na si Dil oy na lising kunsa ka ito sa hong kunjareta datin way sabi sige daw tay namsak iken honorable MLA Thangsori marandi mapam do gilay leaders in the initiative su further currently kung amtang okay magi saitu kendra sambat sagat pa adugi mati magi masan padu ko ka kana hone namsakit ben ma development gi matang ga yang kana hone hoy politically ay mayam na sino ka sempung de namsakit gen government ga maga nubai na to perspective ay ga maga nubai na to perspective only the things Coalition government mo oil bring na nga sa hydro. Amagi adjust on mo sometimes as a being a host, we need to sacrifice someone. Adu kumba tu mana sacrifice of gimari careers tu kana sacrifice to uli wani. Adu kumba maka pag government nga party ka na jaga kumba. Kaya mo tali this mo say Kangpokpi maya na isang sake. Adu na lakad ba 2022 Ngarang Biren mani, adung ba national ki president JP Nanda ji na aga man hiram mi bopon me nganga mi bopon me piram mi bopon ku ki assurance ulo ga tin ki ba madul miya crowd me amu Biren mani me city manung de imphal manung ga ma ki damok ta lakhi ba support me amu Biren mani we are coming back with 2022 the Supreme Soidana Ekoi BJP ki Sarkar Lakini Oi Bujit Lay coalition Maropa Ekoi Amna friendly Oina Loina Tanga Milani but Moishu Moina Kana Honor Kojo Kana Honor Koi absolute majority from there they have absolute majority say Kangpokpi Praja to be oh have Maram the absolute majority when the absolute majority comes when we have the stability in the government, when we have the peace in the state, then whatever we like, we can achieve. High within me and after this. And I say, development ki matang ka, ako disturb to no say. Loina, Praja ki pangmam thopa hak nasi government sila kay durung dumatloy. I don't know government has discrimination to Roy. I don't know government na Praja chip to Roy. Simon has a view. Aduna, Nasi and Tokadoriba, I quit I say, go to Hills meeting Ziglakunate. I quit in Boston Ziglakunate. The power of me. I find a Nasi Pigadoriba schemes, housing schemes, agriculture की वो रो, horticulture की वो रो, oil pencil की वो रो, आदि की oil के साथ रशिंग, लाइन रशिंग, कहीं कोई की mobile पाइप में दबा, mobile activity की कोई की virtual class या वो दबा, आदि को माया में दो फंगन ने भी दबा कहीं कोई ना वैसी go to hills साइड ने कोई ना go to village साइड ना कोई ना पांतु इबा, आदि को वैसी जो कोई vaccination ki India kia raba company maga state ki health department ga pulla ta ga gari tara ga manga launch tor ga lapane ai mujhe lekai khuding changa ga yum khuding changa ka da hida pa gi covid vaccination how grabani marandi covid ki uji dai ba situation koi line no ya roi percentage positivity percentage 5.6 Try to get behind the room. I find 0% line in about the one. Hobbit, Mamma Yamami, listening and give a heart company. Other boy, government, honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi Makata, Zingi district Kurimakta, oxygen plant, Linkalai, Narang Suna, and Sasanaga Makamani, Prime Minister Sangaba, the oxygen plant Makamani. Sanghabi Albany. Was it Singi district rat or Makta? Loina oxygen plant like to be out there. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯀꯦꯌꯔ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯥꯋꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯍꯟꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯕꯦꯡꯀꯤ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ operation theater drakar leibusini ko yam kada sengkalaga kana langnajari adu ngasi akhona Kangpokpi district da yang thokada beneficiary insurance item bise lupa crore nimfu gadaru ka koi utsha bari ki oni akhona ngasi yang thokada ba adu ga koi inauguration ngasi tawridu 30 crore ki inauguration ni adu hujik akhoi sathari bhai batare ongoing major projects in Kangpokpi district sathari basi akhoi ki keno yaur kana major work da crore lising amaga chamaga matfudra ga umboi Kangpokpi district including roads aduga MGRES की मखादना 29 crore की वाक मचा लिसिंग अनि सुमना मरफु को माकन वाक चचरी पुन्ना इकोय करोड़ 1593 की रिज ongoing projects Kangpokpi districts entire Kangpokpi districts including MGRES and road construction waya khamina jaibani lambi thong semiba school phagananji da ngasi madada sangha ba yaw school phagananji ki mafam ani ni school phagananji aba mission ji ki makha da education let us improve the education system including infrastructure akhoi ki posting je masi mapani am tamdar kan da dali da kali da tamdar kan da noina immediate tawre laibu jibana akhoi gisna corner border da laibuni na national media sing cover to how would you put it when I handle it? See, idea matters. By government, you lay people. So, the book. Nasishu, ani di yauriba. Thakna besingi. Why did you maru every? Rock is in Thakpada. Apoy. Makan makai kana wilena. Chakau wilena na avishindu. Madu toti sing Peter Price apoy. Aduninga sa pena. Hana nildal erami 60% yauri na hai. Aduna. Hey, matam sangna laur roige ji phawda completed projects nasi bisi daida tawis 93 crore gini adu gaina Kangpokpi gi praja singme am thagani mamna adak aiga khara forest land preserve to gi matang ngangna bodigi Kangpokpi की प्रजा ने भी रिपा खुनगी विलेज सिंह में आम थोपी रखा था मसी दी जंगल सेप्ट होगी फॉरेस्ट सेप्ट होगी वाखलों तो पाक्सन नहीं बोलता मधुकी पावला है मधुकी उठावा की पावला है अगर मसी मग आई नसाई आई ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर जिंगा है ना सिगले रिपोर्ट ये इंसे क्या तो फजर नहीं टोटली ग्रीनरी अकंबा ahang greenery na tulay adu masiday da wakhal nungai ni hakchang phagani ising nungsi sengani adu ki pot ni aina mayam da sigi u thara da ai la ga sile le mayam bi dam ta phadile ne da jungle sector si forest yang thak kumsi mangan kumsi mai thadu kumsi nat jaba posai tha kumsi ne ajeri ko ekoi gi nate ai khakta gi nate ko mayam purna phamina bagi haise bani aduga amana national highway gi hujik lai riba pose honorable prime minister na yam serious when lawi nan chief secretary ga moi virtual conference of kanda Kangpokpi area sigi hangba kanda prime minister do hokon na sakra sahi am sure kari gno asian highway do adumai taw do kari gno highway tamna chief secretary sengo do laga yam no mai tan tamme adu naina honorable MLA memsa su lele honorable MLA ngamthung ku ngamthung su lele leader mayam lele loina sure and mayam naina apul to se ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯤꯌꯣꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯤꯌꯣꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯛ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯦꯅ ꯐꯠ ꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯀꯛꯊꯠꯄ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ we have to take time aduna prajagi phangum thokpado phangalaga soibasingdugi kanabam thokpa lohon thokpado lohonlaga lambi si highway si di seman ginanaba in the larger interest of the nation ajeng sai the town hagi do more of the laune kaya usitrio man more ana leiraga koi laun laun ko mage hai du pura keno foreign lambi ga mandre at paadana masjida ta roi bane aduna madugi poto koi Kangpokpi ki area si da su modu tahanchi aduna wapam prachi haijeraga ai details mayam ama kana gumba ai political party maming di paninde maram di apa adu level du koi wak tok de kana gumba yamna khangning ba leiragadi akhogi portal comment website leibane adu da sarvi rakanda Kangpokpi da kari thabuk tokre beneficiary kaya yen gare yen de loina details phangani visually loina ubusu phangani adu nata bada aidi lari khara tamurabani aidi english ngangabani aidi hindi ngangabani na tamuga akoi praja mayam si kaisu natta gi mawda communal sagatpagi politics akoi gusuna allowed de party ki the minority ki nuksibani minority ki hai nuksibani na hairam basahi kun kuntha palamba party du kari doro mage ne Kangpokpi da Kangpokpi district kari praja amagi layeng na bugi lupa amagi thabu torom ra ising thanga na bugi lupa amagi thabu torom ra ne adu da khana da bida dom BJP for everyone honorable prime minister ki sabke saath sabke vikas sabke vishwas मामूद धर्म की लिखते क्रिश्चियन की है बखाई दोते हिंदू की है बखाई दोते कनों की सनामही की है बखाई दोते मुस्लिम की है अल्लाह की है बखाई दोते ने सबके साथ पुनमकी सबके विकास पुनमकी सबके विश्वास पुनमको था जब अदुनी ने मियोई बायने नहीं रो पुनमक्षी अमत तो इन्हें साफत मिलने बा अमत तो इन्हें ले मिलने बा अमत तो नहीं मिलने बा है साइड कोई लाइन ना शुआई बा ने ना कराई देने सिल्ला का पास तो रखने दो कर रखने इंटरप्रेट लेक्चर आने तो रांग इंटरप्रेट होगा कम्युनिटी मरक पे इरांग सागत में बोलने को दो सोशल मीडिया आदे करी देता हुआ वाई ये वाई अदुना be careful for them little learning is dangerous moi gumba politician oigene khale iba adu politician oigeni praja ga hana chalo praja ki seva hana to aigi lekai du dai gi ma na ba aigi ne na ba aigi isan na ba aigi larik thamba ngam ba ngang chindu ki seva hana to yum no mi budu ki hana jingalai no hono go larik thamba phangda budu ki larik thamba na ba hana hono go du hana koi community ki level da maitai na duni puki na duni thadau na duni naga na duni na hana hauru ga ga di adu go mammi du na politics once and already Manipur sahi mani makhai ki mamang gi Manipur yung da tumba phangam da lo nupi sing na makuta maira pair ga ahing sorok tali ambado ai gi nupa phaba la kadra ai gi sa phaba la kadra ai gi sing nupi phaba la kadra ahing bazar da sakki bada dungin sakki bada kitang mam bada ai gi nupa halak da ka doro jano ai gi sa halak da ka doro jano na latin pair ga ngai bi sene bi kitang mam gi ba kanda gari thor ka sakpa yada ba Manipur do how liter ma lo na ba hona bada how liter ma lo hona bada akoi ngasi ahing dagi how oil pamdali ra hayeng ayuk lo budo madu hanjala ru kum se koi uji isa sing ima sing longai na ahing de tumi je phamung da kuman je kamrak ta koi na ba mu ko kum se sipai gari ma la ko ko chen chen do sipai gari ma la ko wa na chen do Tauro kung si sahi mali makai sa kaya nungai re sifai ka public ka ki marak ka police ka public की मरकता यार मशीनर ले रहे मरकता जाति मसेल की मरकता नागा वगैरह कुकी वगैरह मैते तांगल वगैरह गुरखाली वगैरह कोई अमत तो नहीं मशीनर लेना. This is a life. This is what the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji want. Tugai na bakhan na badunate. Ha minority ki minda, Christian ki minda, adu ki Hindu ki minda, thar chanaba mamangi politician in the we fed up. We should kick out them. Amuna halalor kam ni makoy. Ano wapang press tham jarga. Once again, I really appreciate the civil society of Kangpokpi area. I will not go one by one for your cooperation and support for the development of the Kangpokpi district as well as for the state. Our mission go to hills and our mission go to village is nothing to do but to benefit the peoples at the doorstep, to give benefit the peoples who doesn't have privilege of getting in the past times. Mamanga hangidraba, hangangamdraba, adu makudong sabu singo, madugo, yum the tinmalapa bigi mission ni, and masibu taram no opi bigi dama. Aduga Deputy Commissioner Kangpokpi, SP Kangpokpi, adu mari official staff, mayam puna mo atay department ki mayam puna mo. Once again, nakoy yaw na kay sige cement si last 4.5 years of whatever we are shipping, it could have never be happen without your support. Thank you, Chief Secretary. Thank you all the government officials, as well as lastly the media friends. Without your cooperation, we will not be able to highlight everything what we have achieved today. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you to our Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri N. Biren Singh. Dunia ikikhom na wa tupi pena iningwa lelu beneficiary ho state government ako na scheme azad za na ko na phatsong na hung ding ho min hi hin simpung in the thing to phatsongai hok do ana inai pai diu hin mi gin team na diwin. The list of beneficiaries for distribution of various schemes and projects. First off, to Sericulture Department, we will be giving away Integrated Sericulture Development Project. Under the Integrated Sericulture Development Project, we will be giving away to Minlin Singsit, spades and secature nets and mountage. From Social Welfare Department, COVID-19 Livelihood Scheme to TL Thanglen Joy Chiru. To give away these items to the beneficiaries under the various schemes of the various departments of the government, I'd like to invite our Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri N. Biren Singh. First off, we shall be giving away to beneficiary from the Sericultural Department, Minlin Singsit, under Integrated Sericulture Development Project. I request Minlin Singsit to kindly come forward and receive the items of spades, secature, nets, and mounted from our Honorable CM, Shri N. Biren Singh. Next, we will be giving away from the Social Welfare Department, COVID-19 Livelihood Scheme to TL Thanglen Choi Chiru. Phani kino ziwin, ihung loy loy di win kahin timi Thanglen Choi Chiru. There are a total of 99 beneficiaries from the Sericulture Department. However, due to shortage of time, we shall give away only to one beneficiary, Minlin Singsit, from the Sericulture Department under the scheme of Integrated Sericulture Development Project. It's been given away spade, secature, nets, and mountage. Next, from the Social Welfare Department, under the scheme COVID-19 Livelihood Scheme, to TL Thanglin Choi Chiru. Social Welfare Department. There are a total of 594 beneficiaries. However, we would only like to give away to TL Thanglin Choi Chiru. COVID-19 Livelihood Scheme. Next, I'd like to invite Solwon Zimik from the same department under the scheme Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme. Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme to Solwon Zimik. There are a total of 75 beneficiaries. Solwon Zimik pension card under Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme. Next, we'd like to give away wheelchair under Social Welfare Department to Pautin Loon Somloy. So if you may and wheelchair to Pautin Loon Somloy from Social Welfare Department. Thank you. Hearing aids to Lamkhohau Somloy. Lamkhohau Somloy will also be receiving the hearing aid as well as Manipur Old Age Pension. Sri Lamkhohau Somloy receiving hearing aid as well as Manipur Old Age Pensions from the Social Welfare Department. Moving on to the Health Department, we'd like to give away health card, CMHT cards and PMJ cards. First to Zamkhulun Tauthang. Zamkhulun Tauthang will be receiving Chief Minister Hakchir Gitengban health card, and Lalin Mam will be receiving Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana card. Lalin Mam will be receiving PMJ card under Ayushman Bharat Mission. Now moving on to Agriculture Department, we shall be giving away soil and health card. Soil health card to Diliram Bastola. Agriculture Department, soil health card to Diliram Bastola. Agriculture Department, soil health card to Diliram Bastola, and knapsack sprayer to KH Kaiko Mao. There are a total of 10 beneficiaries for the soil health card. However, we shall only give away to Diliram Bastola. The rest will be arranged by the department. Knapsack sprayer, there are a total of 50 beneficiaries, but we will be giving away only to KH Kaiko Mao from Agriculture Department. Then under the scheme of Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, we'd like to give away sprinklers to SH Ringso Song. SH Ringso Song will be receiving sprinkler from PMKSY scheme under Agriculture Department. Right after that, we will begin with the Horticulture Department. From Horticulture Department, I'd like to invite Ngapi Kipgen. Ngapi Kipgen will be receiving sprinkler system under the scheme of Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Sprinkler system to Ngapi Kipgen. Right after that, we'll go to Manipur Housing and Urban Development. Mahud. From Mahud Department, under the scheme of PM Swanidhi Yojana, we'll be giving away loan for working capital to Mrs. Harting Kipgen. Sprinkler system from the Horticulture Department. Now moving on to Mahud. Manipur Housing and Urban Development, I'd like to invite Hatim Kipgen to receive a loan for working capital under Prime Minister Swanidhi Yojana. Mahut. After the Manipur Housing and Urban Development, I'd like to invite Tribal Affairs and Hills. They'll be giving away first sewing machine to Timboy Thêm Tauthang. Sewing machine to Timboy Thang under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Hills. Timboy Thêm Tauthang, Tribal Affairs and Hills sewing machine. Sewing machine, Tribal Affairs. Right after that, we shall be giving away wheelchair to Nicholas Z. Misau under Tribal Affairs and Hills. And after that, we shall be giving away hearing aid to Nempa Tauthang. Nempa Tauthang. Beneficiaries Timboy Thêm Tauthang. Timboy Thêm Tauthang will be receiving sewing machine under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Hills. And now wheelchair to Nicholas Z. Misau. Wheelchair. Hearing aid to Nempa Tauthang. Wheelchair is received by Nicholas Z. Misau's mother under Tribal Affairs and Hills, following which we have hearing aid to Nempa Tauthang. Hearing aid under Tribal Affairs and Hills. Now, housing schemes under Tribal Affairs and Hills also will be given away to Ningzanhai Thovum. Ningzanhai Thovum will be receiving housing schemes under Tribal Affairs and Hills Department. Ningzanhai Thovum.
Locked it. And if it's raining, I locked it.
Tinechong to boy, Ningzanhai Thovum. Ningwon Sing Misau, Solomon Hang Sing, Sayin Hang Kipyan Sara, Kipyan Open Pen Kalilang na Ningzanhai Thovum. Housing scheme. From Education Department, we'd like to give away free school uniforms and free textbooks, school bags, kitchen utensils, sports materials to the students. First to Anish Guru, a student of class 6 standard from Goma Devi High School. Education Department, Anish Guru, student of class 6, Goma Devi High School. Anish Guru will be receiving free school uniform. All schools under the district have been receiving free school uniforms, free textbooks, school bags, utensils, and sports material. Tupat sumin anangaw hitin adangdang ho beneficiary ho ye department head ho ako na kilagi binti head serving. Thank you to our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Biren Singh for having given away the items to all beneficiaries. Moving on now, we have come to the end of our